welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Sephora Favorites Gimme Some Shine lip set. If you do want to see a review and swatches, please keep watching. This set retails for $29 and comes with 5 different lip glosses. Here's a closer look on what the packaging looks like. It says Sephora Favorites, and then when you turn it over on the back, you have a little description about each lip product inside, and then at the top it says Sephora Favorites, and then on the bottom it says Sephora Favorites as well. I do want to read a little bit about this lip set. It does say this set contains 5 must-have lip balms and glosses for hydrated plump lips, including a full-size Fenty Gloss Balm and Nars Afterglow Lip Balm. So let's go ahead and open this up. I haven't even opened mine up yet. Here we have all 5 of the lip products. The first product we're going to try is by Lancome. This is their Juicy Tubes Original Lip Gloss in the shade Magic Shell. You do get 10 milliliters or 0.34 fluid ounces, and a full size retails for $20. So let's open this up. Here's a closer look on what the Lancome Juicy Tube looks like, and then on the back it does say the shade name, which is in Magic Shell. Let's open this. Let's swatch it. I love these little squeezy tubes, that way I can use the entire product. Magic Spell is described as a sheer magenta with silver sparkle. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but there is some silver sparkle to this lip gloss. I do want to read a little bit about the Lancome Juicy Tube. It does say an original juicy lip gloss with ultra shine and up to 4 hours of lasting hydration. It does sit comfortably on the lips. It's not sticky or goopy. It does have vitamin E, which hydrates and softens the lips, and it's free of parabens. Again, the shade name is Magic Spell. I think I said Magic Shell earlier. I really do like this lip gloss. It does claim to last 4 hours, so we will definitely test that out. The next lip product is by Todd. This is Todd's Major Lip Shine in the shade She's Expensive. You get 3 milliliters or 0.1 fluid ounces. It does say Todd right here on the front, and then on the back it says Major Glow Lip Shine. So let's open this up. Ooh, I love the wand. Let's swatch this. Here's what the shade in She's Expensive looks like. It's described as a crystal pearl shade. So pretty. This does have a scent to it. It's a peppermint scent. It smells really good. Look how shiny my bottom lip is. The full size of the Major Glow Lip Shine by Todd retails for $22. I do want to read a little bit about Todd's gloss. A universally flattering high shine lip gloss with the cushion and slip of a lip balm for zero stickiness, all shine. There's no stickiness. The highlighted ingredients, it does say Advanced Gel System, creates a glass-like finish that clings to the lips and prevents feathering. It does have a high shine oil blend, allows for the formula to glide on evenly and gives that balmy feeling. And it does have an emollient blend, ensures even coverage and added shine and comfort. It's free of sulfates, SLS, SLES, parabens, phthalates, mineral oil, coal tar. It's free of a lot of stuff, and it is vegan and cruelty free. The next lip product is by Fenty Beauty. This is her Gloss Balm. This is full size. You do get 9 milliliters or 0.3 fluid ounces, and this is in the shade Fussy. It does say Fenty Beauty right on the front, and then on the bottom you have the shade name, which is in the shade Fussy. I love Fenty's lip glosses. Her full size lip glosses retail for $19. Very pretty. Fussy is described as a shimmering pink shade. So gorgeous. I also do love Fenty's applicator. It does have that huge applicator, which is one swipe pigment. I love Fenty's formula. It's not sticky at all. I just love her lip glosses. I do want to read a little bit about Fenty's glosses. An ultimate gotta have it lip gloss with explosive shine that feels as good as it looks. It does have shea butter, which conditions skin. It's free of parabens and phthalates, and it's also cruelty free. It does also say that this universal lip luminizer delivers explosive shine in 6 shades that flatter all skin tones. One swipe of Gloss Bomb's double XL wand leaves lips looking instant fuller and smoother. The non-sticky formula is super shiny and has an addictive peach vanilla scent you can't get enough of. Rihanna was obsessed with creating the perfect gloss that makes you want to put it on over and over again. The next lip product is by Nars. Here's what the packaging looks like. It's so stunning. This is a full-size Afterglow Lip Balm in the shade Orgasm. On the bottom, you do have the shade name, Afterglow Lip Balm in the shade Orgasm. Let's open this up. That is a lot of product. This full size retails for $28, while this entire set retails for $29. So I would highly recommend you guys purchasing this set versus just one lip balm, so in that way you get everything else included. Orgasm is described as a peachy pink with golden shimmer. It feels so soft and comfortable. I do want to read a little bit about the Afterglow Lip Balm. A hydrating lip balm with a subtle tint of color. It does also say that this lip balm provides smooth, supple, long-lasting comfort while helping to protect and condition lips for hours after application. The Orgasm shade contains pH-adjusted pigments to give you the perfect hint of color. That's super interesting. Wow. Last lip product is from Too Faced. This is their Lip Injection Extreme Lip Plumper in clear. Ooh, I don't like lip plumpers, you guys know me, but I really do like the packaging. It says Too Faced here. I love this little gold detail. You do get 1.5 grams of product for 0.05 ounces. Let's see what this swatch is like. Here's what the applicator looks like. It's just a doe foot. Here we have that Too Faced lip injection product. Here we have all 5 shades swatched on the back of my hand. Extremely shiny set. The full size retails for $15, so let's go ahead and apply this to the lips. It does have a little bit of a fruity scent to it. It smells really good. I'm not going to apply too much of the product because I don't want it to tingle on my lips. I can feel it tingling. I personally don't like this product. I'm going to remove it since it's kind of burning my lips. I'm going to reapply the shade in She's Expensive from Todd. This is a Major Glow Lip Shine. I really do like this product a lot. It's extremely shiny. It does have that minty chocolate chip scent to it. It smells really good. Overall, my final thoughts on the Sephora Favorites Gimme Some Shine lip set is that I really do love this. It retails for $29, which is a great value. The Nars alone, the Afterglow Balm, retails for $28 for this full size. You might as well just purchase a set, get all the other lip products included. The only thing that I did not like in this set, the Too Faced Lip Extreme Lip Injection. Personally don't like any burning or tingling sensation on my lips, so I would pass on this. But if you're the type of person who loves that, more power to you. I'm just a baby and I can't handle it. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.